yes, I do have light in the basement. Big, is that all? I went to live in the basement, then a cage. You said you live in a cage.
Okay, Kamaya. No, sit down. Because you wasn't doing that. Yeah, you can go.
You literally live in the apartment.
Goodbye.
We got 2 half adults. What? First of all, it's not my fault that I can't go in the refrigerator. My sister still so. My sister still so. What you talking about? Keep on going. You do go.
I had a sub earlier.
First of all, I gotta go in the basement because I gotta go to school. I gotta go to school.
You got your sauce on it?
First of all, I got 2 hours before I go to bed. So what you talking about? You need to listen wisely, please. And I'm telling you now, you cannot fit in that car.
Y'all hear my grandson and his auntie playing around with each other, just playing, talking.
First of all, while
They just
I'm
playing,
going,
so
I'm scared. I'm not getting on the
judging.
airplane.
They just
for
playing.
what? I bet you can't fit in that Airbnb though. Which,
You can talk, but don't be like,
everything that comes out of my mouth is good. It is.
they do this all the time.
What?
They do? I don't never see it or hear it.
Be quiet, please.
Gatsby. This is Gatsby, y'all.
Don't fake eyelashes. It's not getting big.
Italian sub.
That lace front is not getting
With-
big. Them edges.
You know what
it's
comes
not
on
getting
Italian
big. That
sub,
ugly
so.
old makeup. It's probably called bubbles.
This thing is so
Don't you-
juicy.
First of all, my eyes.
Hold on.
My eyes. First of all, if I was a sardine from the can, I would have
Sardine.
been. I would have been living in the
Y'all
can.
stop.
First of all, I'm not a shrimp. I'm a human being. I'm a human being. You look like one. You look like a double 10-piece with an extra biscuit on top. First of all,
I'm not gonna eat the chips, y'all.
I did. So,
I'm gonna let the
yes,
kids
I
have it.
did. First of all, I don't want to be big and sloppy with you. So,
Oh. You should say you got that.
huh? You are that built.
Y'all, when I tell you this sandwich is juicy,
Now you
It's
say the
nice
way
and
you
juicy.
said, don't talk
Wet.
to me, that's what to y'all.
Like, you cannot be talking. You are that built. Hold on. At least I got tight pants, not 3X's. First of all, I do this, but I'd rather be skinny than sloppy and a slut like you.
wait a minute. Nope, that's it.
I was recording a video too.
But don't call him. You can talk to him, but you don't want to call him like that. Bye.
Leave it to bye y'all. Love y'all.
Just don't call him out their name. Lele's so immature. You so immature. You are. This sandwich is good. And I'm glad the bread is not thick. You know, some sub breads be like really thick. Too thick. That eel feels so good. Oh, this is good. Let me grab some water.
Yes. You in the video chat? Alright, go.
This water's so good. Whew.
Yeah. I work tomorrow. Sierra's the only one who don't work tomorrow. Well, Shannon, you said you wasn't coming to get her. You need to come get her. Go and get her because, yeah, she. Girl, well, I want to hear it from Sierra's mouth. The hell. I need my money tomorrow, bitch. I don't like being out my money. Like I said, I need my money. Rest or what? Okay. Alright, bitch. Making sure. Well, I'm gonna talk to you later. Find your roller sex.
Y'all getting ready. 5-day vacay. It's the first time that I'm had a house to myself for that long. That many days. First time.
That should do with that thing.